Hey everyone! So apparently it's already evening and the resolution is not quite good because my front camera is not as clear as it must be. So hoping you can bear with me, and I really have to tone down my voice so that I won't wake anyone up in the middle of the night. So basically right now what I'm gonna be doing is an unboxing video. And as you may have noticed, it's gonna be different from my K-pop dance covers because a few days ago, me and my mom went to Manila to visit my sister, and we had a great time despite of just being there for 2 nights and 2 days. That's why I wasn't able to upload another dance cover. But during my stay in Manila, in particular on the last day, me and my sister along with one of my cousins went to a mall. Then we passed by to a cosmetic shop. I'm not sure if it's a cosmetic shop or something, but it led me to spending a very huge cash, but it's so worth it. That is why I'll be showing to you something. Just a moment. Okay, so this is the thing that I bought. So this is the thing that I bought, which cost me a lot of money. So I actually bought a product from TonyMoly. So recently, TonyMoly has collaborated with Monsta X to be one of the endorsers of their products. And apparently I bought one of their products. It's a set of hand cream. It's very, how can I say this? As a person living in the province, the price that I paid is very costly. You can even check it on this receipt. It's like, how much did it cost? I spent almost 1,500 pesos for this one. But anyways, I'll still show it to you. I will unbox it for you. So like what I've said, the TonyMoly product that I bought is a set of hand cream. It's a 7-set hand cream. So I'm gonna be showing it to you right now. Just gonna grab it. Here we go. So this is the box itself. Just gonna set this one aside. So this is the box. As you can see here, it's like a collaboration of Monsta X. I was already excited that the day we went home, it actually opened this one immediately. So I'm just gonna be opening it for you. And so this is the front part of the box. And here on the back is actually the product description. The one written with the most is written in Hangul. And if you're not reading Hangul or if you cannot even understand Hangul, don't worry, there's an English translation here. Simple and easy to read. So, without further ado, I'll be opening the box right now. As I mentioned, I already opened the box due to excitement. So, there we go. So now's the big reveal. There we go. So as you can see, these are all hand creams. Each hand cream has a signature scent. I'm not yet familiar which among the following is given of a particular scent, but the scents here, as mentioned in the back box, is cherry blossom, rose, green tea, yuja. I'm not sure if it's yuja. Next one is peach, Another one is milk, and the last one is shea butter. So these are the hand creams, of course, with the members of Monsta X. Now, I'm not yet a Mon Baby. Correct me if I pronounce it right, Mon Baby, but I'm a starting fan of Monsta X already. Not only that I love their music, but also them already. I'm a starting fan, yeah. So this is the hand cream set, and not only that the hand cream, but it also goes with, there we go. It also got some photo cards. So I'm gonna be opening the photo cards with you. There. So of course a paper of Monsta X with TonyMoly. So here are the photo cards. So I'm not gonna tell anything else. I'm gonna be showing them to you one by one. Hyungwon. That's Hyungwon. Shonu. Wonho. Kihyun. Minhyun. Of course, my bias wrecker. I am. And Juhan. Now, one more thing that they actually have here are these acetate letters. Hoping you can see them. Hoping you can see them. I don't think so that you can see them. But they have these acetate like cards, and they have letters written in them. Hoping that you can see them because they're really cute. And it's like freshly written on acetate. I'm gonna be just showing to you the pictures here in 1, 2, 3. So one last thing that I actually received is that when I bought the item, I actually had a freebie. So this is the freebie that I got. It's actually a poster of one of the members. And let me show you which member. It is. It's showing, guys. It's showing. So yeah, basically that's the content of the TonyMoly with collaboration of Monsta X. Hope that you like this video. Please do click that subscribe button, click that like, and share this video. Good night, everyone.